how your 30 years of experience can earn you $2,000 to $7,000 monthly. You've been working for 30, 40, maybe even 50 years. And right now, someone out there is desperate to know what you already know. They'll pay you for it too. $2,000, $5,000, even $7,000 a month. Not someday, starting this week. Look, I'm not talking about going back to a job. I'm talking about taking what's already in your head and turning it into income. You don't need another degree, another certification, another boss. You need a way to package what you know and get it in front of people who need it. That's what we're doing today. Let me show you how. Here's what I see all the time. People our age think, I'm retired, who's going to pay me for anything? But that's backward thinking. You've got decades of real-world experience. You've solved problems, managed people, built things, fixed things, taught things. And somewhere out there, someone is stuck on the exact thing you mastered years ago. They're Googling it right now, looking for help. The problem isn't that you don't have value. It's that you don't see it yet. Let's fix that. Here's how you find what you can sell. Grab a piece of paper. I'm serious. Grab one right now. Write down 3 things. Number 1, what did people always come to you for at work? Were you the one they asked about budgets or schedules or customer complaints? Did you train new people? Did you fix the thing no one else could figure out? Number 2, what do friends and family ask you about? Gardening, cooking, taxes, home repairs, organizing. If people ask you, it's because you know more than most. Number 3, what could you talk about for an hour without notes? That's your expertise. That's what you sell. Don't overthink this. Just write it down. Your brain will try to tell you it's not special, but that's a lie. What's obvious to you is magic to someone else. Now here's what you don't need. You don't need a fancy website. You don't need business cards. You don't need an LLC. You need 3 things: a phone, a Zoom account, and people who need help. That's it. You could be an HR manager offering coaching on hiring and retention, a project manager helping small businesses get organized, a nurse coaching people through health challenges, a teacher tutoring kids or adults. Someone will pay you this week if you just tell them you're available. Or here's the one that ties into what I teach. You package what you know into a digital product. Write an ebook, record a video course, create a template or checklist. Then you find other people's products that your audience needs and you promote them as an affiliate. When someone buys through your link, you get a commission. You make money while you sleep. That's not hype. That's exactly how this works. You can get started today at williamfeaver.com/GNG. Here's what I know about you. You didn't work for 30 years to spend retirement worrying about money. You want flexibility. You want independence. You want to do something that matters without someone else setting your schedule. So here's what you do next. Write down those 3 things I mentioned. Pick one, just one. Go to williamfeaver.com/GNG to get started, or williamfeaver.com/GNG Capture 2 for the complete guide. It'll walk you through exactly how to turn that one idea into income. No fluff, no upsells, just the steps. Your experience is worth something. It's time someone paid you what you're worth. Let's make that happen.